Pudolla men's golf pants in XX. They came in this bag that is about 9 inches by 8 inches, completely folded up. And I'm going to show you, I literally just took them out of the bag and put them on. Hardly any wrinkles at all. I haven't washed them or nothing. Little about myself, I got the camera angled down. I'm 6'2", I weigh 237 pounds. I got about a 42-inch waist, and I'm gonna give you some pros and cons on these. First off, unbelievably comfortable. They are made out of polyester and spandex, but they feel like more spandex because they're stretchy. At being 6'2", I wore some gray socks here, so you can see they come almost all the way down. I think they're gonna be fine if I wear some black socks, so something to consider. It's got a drawstring on here. I just have it tied. I don't have it tightened, and it's pretty good with my waist. Right now, it feels pretty good. Some of the cons, which I don't like, I have big hands. These have zippered pockets right here. I don't know how long these zippers are gonna hold up. I don't really care. I'll just keep them down anyway, more than likely. But big hands, when I stick my hand in the pocket, it's brushing against that zipper. So I don't know how that's gonna feel when I have a golf glove on, you know? And the other thing, we got 2 pockets on the back. They're not very deep, maybe about that deep. So if you're the type of guy that puts a scorecard in his back pocket, it's gonna stick out on you. Overall, I got this to wear golfing in the spring and summer. They're super lightweight and they are really comfortable, and I'm gonna try them out today, but I like them.